This will be a bunch of Ringke cases for the Galaxy S9 and the Galaxy S9 Plus. As you can see, I have all three colors here. Now I want to give a special shout out to Ringke for sending these over for me to take a look at. So let's dive right in. We have the Ringke Wave for the Galaxy S9 Marina Gold. Let's check it out. Thank you card from Ringke. You're welcome. Here's the case itself. The Ultimate Experience Ringke Wave. Let the light hit it so you can check it out. Now this one is a two-part case. This is TPU in the middle, and this wave kind of design here, hard plastic. Pretty cool design, I gotta say. Massive cutout for your cameras and fingerprint scanner. Okay, cutouts. Raise buttons for your lanyard right here. Okay, raise button, cutout for your mic, and I think that's it. Okay, now this is the blue model, blue case. I think this is gonna look really nice. So let's just go ahead and put it in right now. Here's the case on the phone. As you can see the blue on the border, looks pretty good. And you flip it over and wow, this looks really nice. If you have the blue S9, yeah, this looks pretty nice. Pretty nice. Blue and gold, not a bad combination. Oh, forgot to mention, Ringke branding here on the bottom. Let's check out the button tactility. Power button, that works. Volume rocker, nice and tactile. And Bixby, which nobody cares, it works. Now I don't have the fingerprint set up, but it's wide open. You can access that, no issues. Now this one is the Ringke Onyx for the Galaxy S9. This one looks like it's the Plum Violet. Here we go. Thank you card. Put that to the side. And this is the case. The Ultimate Experience Ringke Onyx. Says that on the inside. Let the light hit it. Shock absorption technology right in the corner right there. I don't know if you can see that. See, right there, let the light hit it. Cutouts on the bottom, raise button. Cutout on top for your mic. Raise buttons for your volume and Bixby. Massive cutout for your camera, and also a separate cutout for your flash right here and your heart rate sensor. Now I actually like how that looks. I think this kind of cutout looks a lot better than just one big cutout. Ringke branding here. And this is the Plum Violet one, and it looks really, really nice. Really nice. Now under certain lighting conditions, this almost looks black. You have this brushed aluminum look here. And then on top and bottom, under certain angles, it almost looks like carbon fiber, but it's not. It's just that kind of pattern on top and bottom. Phone in, and let's check it out. The phone slides right in, okay? From the front, this is how it's gonna look like. You flip it over, and there you go. Looks very nice with the blue S9, blue and purple. Always a good combination. Let's check out the button tactility. Ooh, I like that. Nice and tactile, easy to press. Very nice. If you guys care about how the buttons feel, get this case for sure. Yeah, that is clicky AF. Nice. Okay, check out the volume rocker. Same thing with the volume rocker. Nice and clicky. I like that. Very nice. And then button for Bixby, which nobody cares about. There you go, it works, whatever. Cutouts on the bottom, perfect. This is your cutout for your fingerprint scanner and the camera and the flash. You see how it's a separate cutout for the flash right there? I think this looks way better than the single big cutout. Access to the scanner. Now I don't have fingerprint setup, but it's wide open. You put your finger on there, it's gonna work. So this one is the Ringke Onyx. That does it for the S9 cases. Now time for the S9 Plus ones. Okay, these are the Ringke cases for the Plus model of the S9. Start out with this one, Slim Galaxy S9. Tear here, which is exactly what I'm gonna do. Here we go. Little thank you card from Ringke, you're welcome. And this is the case. The ultimate way to slim, Ringke Slim. Hard plastic. You have Ringke branding on the bottom right there. And then let's see, cutouts. Your buttons are wide open. So you can see, wide open, cutout for your mic, massive cutout for your cameras, etc. And you have your little slits here on each corner, or actually just on the bottom, to help slide your phone in and out, obviously. Nice white color here, looks very clean. Let's put it on the purple one. Let's see, your phone should just slide in. So I'm gonna try to do it like this. Okay, here we go, and then, hold on a second. Am I doing this right? Ooh, there we go. Snaps right in, literally. Wow. Okay, here we go. Now, this is a really, really thin case, so you're not gonna get that much protection. Like I'm looking at the front lip right now, and there's a little bit of a front lip. Okay, there's a little bit of a front lip. You lay this down flat. Okay, glass shouldn't touch the surface. Your buttons are wide open here, so power button, I mean, yeah, wide open button. So no issues with a volume rocker or Bixby, no issues there. Okay, cutouts on the bottom, perfect, nice and precise. Cutout for your lanyard here. On top, the cutout for the mic. So again, nice and precise. Very nice. Now access to the fingerprint scanner. I don't have fingerprint set up, but it's wide open. You put your finger on the scanner, it's gonna work. Trust me. And there you go. Now if you're really looking for a super, super slim case, you should get a case like this. Take a look at it one more time. Nice and grippy too. Put it on the black one on real quick. Okay, how did I do it last time? It's like this, right? And then snap. Ooh, literally snaps on. There you go. From the front, you can see the white of the case. Flip it over. If you're going for that contrasty kind of look, there you go. Ringke Fusion case for the Galaxy S9 Plus. Now I've had these cases for older phones in the past, and these are one of my favorite cases from Ringke. So let's go ahead and tear this so we can check it out. There we go. Ooh, comes with a little lanyard here. Very nice. Thank you, Ringke. And what is this? Enjoy your free gift. Okay, thank you for choosing Ringke, etc., etc. Check that out. You're welcome. Ringke lanyard wrist strap. There you go. That's how you're gonna use the strap. And then a thank you card. You're welcome again. Ringke mirror. Remove outside film. So we do have some film here we gotta remove. It's all good. This is the case itself. Now, notice the purple border here. Purple border, if you have the purple S9 Plus, now this is gonna look hella nice, okay? If you're looking for something that'll match the phone, check that out. Look at that. This is gonna look sick. All right, so we'll check it out in a bit. First, I gotta take these stickers off, which I'll do right now. Give me a second. Here it is. You hear that? Woo! Nice and fast. And do the same thing on the outside. This one might be a little bit harder. Got it started right there. So just take it and boom, hella fast. Nice. So this is the case itself. Now, this is a two-part case. Hard clear plastic back here. And the sides, this is TPU, okay? The purple is TPU. Raise buttons, raise button, cutout on top, cutout for your cameras, etc. on the bottom. Very nice. Now this is the purple one, so I'm really curious. I'll put it on the purple phone so we can see how this combination is gonna look like. So the phone will slide right in. Now from the front, ooh, this looks badass. Black, and you can see the purple border. Now this looks pretty nice. That's a nice combination. Nice. Okay, and you flip it over. Woo! Now that looks hella tight. I mean, yeah, if you have the purple, the lilac purple S9, this is like a mandatory case, like in this color. I mean, this looks hot. I mean, the purple border, I mean, with the lilac purple of the phone, very nice. I mean, look at that. That is hot. That is hot. Yeah. If you like purple, this is the combination to go for. Yeah, this is sick. I knew it was gonna look sick coming into it, and it looks sick right now. This is nice, man. I am digging this. If you got the lilac purple S9, you gotta get this case from Ringke. This is cool. Button tactility, ooh, nice and clicky. Okay, buttons on this side of the phone, the volume rocker. Nice and clicky, no issues. And Bixby, which nobody cares about. That works if you want to use Bixby. I don't, but there you go. All right, cutouts on the bottom, perfect. Okay, top, cutout for your mic, perfect again. Okay, access to your fingerprint scanner. Now I don't have fingerprint set up, but it's wide open. You put your finger on it, it's gonna work. Trust me. And here you go. Nice and grippy too. Very nice. Nice. What else did I forget? Oh yeah, for your lanyard right there, that's where you put it in. Very nice. Gotta take a look at this one more time because this is a sick combination. Yeah. If you have the purple S9, you gotta get this case, man. Yeah, this is cool. This is cool. All right, now let's put this on the black one since we are here anyway. Okay, here's my black one. Slap it on. Okay, from the front, again, looks the same. Flip it over. Ooh, this looks pretty good as well. Got some stuff on it, but there you go. See, if you have the black phone, you want to add a little bit of color to it, this is one way to do it. Sure, looks better on the purple one though. So anyway, on to the next case. Last case is the Ringke Fusion, but this is the black one. Okay, same thing as the one we just looked at. So let me just go ahead and tear here. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Okay. And again, get your lanyard, very nice. Free gift, a thank you card, you're welcome. Ringke mirror, remove outside film. Same thing as the last case, and here it is. Same thing as this one, except you have the black border now. So if you have the black phone, you get this one, right? Or you can get it for the purple one too. A little bit of a contrast, comparing these two cases. Okay, the borders are different, everything else is the same. Let me go ahead and remove the film, see? Once you get a hole like that, see? And then the whole thing just whoop! Hella fast. Do the same thing on the inside. There you go, see? Once you get a hole, nice and fast. Here's the case, same thing as the other one. Cut out for your camera back here, etc. Okay, cutouts on the bottom. Raise buttons, raise button. Cut out for your mic on top. Lanyard, that's it. Two-part case, plastic, sides are TPU. Okay, now since this is the black one, I'm gonna go ahead, let me clean this off real fast. Put this on a black one first. So let's just do that right now. Okay. Okay, you got the black S9 Plus. You want something that's gonna blend in with your phone a little bit. Get this one with the black TPU sides, blends in with the black front perfectly. Flip it over, you get to see your black phone right through the plastic. Access your scanner. Again, I don't have fingerprint set up, but nice and wide open. Put your finger on there, it's gonna work. Trust me on that. Here you go. Okay, now you got a little bit of front lip here. I don't know if I talked about the lip on the purple one, but you do have it here. So you lay these down flat. Glass is not gonna touch the surface. All right, so let's check this one out on the purple phone. There you go. Okay, from the front, okay, looks the same. Blends right into the phone with a black front. And you flip it over, and here you go. If you're looking for a little bit of contrast, something to kind of break the purple up with a different color, this is how it's gonna look like. The lilac purple with the smoked border. Kind of goes well, this kind of goes well with the camera lens, right? You gotta get that kind of contrast right there, if this is what you're looking for. Honestly, this looks better on the black one, and the purple one looks best on the purple phone. Everything matches. So if you're interested in any of these cases, I'll go ahead and put links to these in the description down below. Here's my S9. Thanks for watching. Peace out.